Hey future trucker, today's question is, do linemen require a CDL license? The answer in most cases is yes. But before we actually dive deep, you have to understand, what is a lineman? A lineman is somebody who works in the lines up above. So anything that has to do with utility lines. In many cases, it's the electrical lines on those telephone poles that we see outside. Now, why are they required to get a CDL license? The linemen are required to have a CDL license because that is the definition of what a CDL vehicle is. It's going to be any vehicle that weighs more than 26,000 pounds. So now you have the decision to make if you want to become a lineman. Should I get a CDL Class A or should I get a CDL Class B? Now, what is the difference here? The only difference between a Class A and a Class B is that the Class A, the overall vehicle has to weigh more than 26,000 pounds, but the trailer has to weigh more than 10,000 pounds. And the Class B, the trailer has to weigh less than 10,000 pounds. So if that's the only difference, I would highly recommend going for the CDL Class A route. Because as a lineman, behind the bucket truck, you might be transporting big spools of wire or line that will weigh more than 10,000 pounds. You might also be transporting things like backhoe machinery or excavator machinery, and all those things can weigh more than 10,000 pounds. Because if you're in the union, you're trying to get your lineman stuff going, having a CDL license will be the easiest way to kind of skip the line and make sure you have the highest seniority, because it is so rare to have, especially if you're just starting out. So if you're an experienced lineman, or maybe you're just starting off on your journey and you don't have your CDL license yet, go for that CDL Class A license. It's going to put you at the top of any company's priority hiring list, because they would rather have a CDL Class A driver over a CDL Class B, simply because they can utilize you for more vehicles. So let's talk about the pay. A lot of people get into linemen because they like heights and because they like money. Now, average linemen will make anywhere from $70,000 to $90,000 a year. And after a few years of experience, once you get to that foreman role, it's very easy to make $90,000 to $120,000. And the longer you're in a union, if that's a decision you want to make, you can actually make even more money that route too. So now that you know investing in getting a CDL license is probably the best thing you can do for your career as a lineman, what's the steps? There's a simple 3-step process. Step number 1, go to an approved training provider school. That is a federal law. You must go to an approved training provider in order to get a CDL license. Easiest thing there, we already found the best school for you, and that's us. We're the best CDL school in the country. Visit our website for more information, cdldrivingacademy.com. Step number 2, if you're going to go for the CDL Class A, get yourself a CDL Class A permit, which means you have to pass general knowledge, air brakes, and combination vehicle. These are all 3 different written exams that you must get 80% or more on those tests. And then step number 3 is pass a 2.5-hour long road test, and that test is split into 3 different parts. An inspection portion, which is going to be inspecting both the inside and outside of the vehicle. Part number 2 is going to be parking the vehicle up to 4 different ways. And part number 3 is driving the vehicle on the road itself. So once you go through all of that stuff, and then you actually officially walk away with your CDL license. Now, the cool thing about coming to Driving Academy is we're super affordable. $500 down is all that you need to get started. And we're super flexible, which means we're open up 7 days a week, which means even if you're currently working full-time, you can come to school on a part-time basis. We have classes in the morning, afternoon, and evening, even on weekends as well. So there's zero excuse of why you can't improve yourself and make sure that you're making the most money you could possibly make as a lineman with a CDL Class A license. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, find a location near you, and let's get you started on your road to freedom today. If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.